Here is how to put pictures on your Tinder profile. Open the Tinder app and then go to the profile section. Tap on the pencil-like icon on the top side of your profile picture. Then you will find options to add pictures or delete them. If you want to add pictures, tap on the plus sign on any of the empty spaces. Then select the option from where you want to add the picture. Let's go upload photo. It will take you to your gallery, and from your gallery you can select the pictures that you want to add on your profile. Let's select this one. Now adjust the cropping of your pictures. Then tap on next. Well, that's it. As you can see, the new picture has been added on my Tinder profile. Hence, in this way you can put pictures on Tinder.